introducing you to this new tandoori oven. It is actually a gas oven, and you can use it with natural gas or propane, and we also do a charcoal version. And the temperature can reach up to 1000 Fahrenheit, but for cooking purposes 650 is doable. You can actually put 12 of the skewers in one go into the tandoor, obviously using the same meat at the same time, and it will cook very, very quickly and efficiently. The tandoori oven actually cooks it much more efficiently, and you get that smoky flavor without all of the smoke pouring out. So it's a much faster and quicker way of cooking, especially if you're in the restaurant trade. The tandoori oven can be repaired if there is slight damage, but the damage is normally done by the person using it if they misuse it by scratching the side of the clay pot. We do have a repair kit, but natural cracks happen as the pot is heated up, which is quite normal. Yes, it is, because what you have to do, once it's cleaned down, when it's cooled down, I mean, you can actually just use a handheld hoover to pick up the debris at the base of the oven. That's it. Easy to use, quite efficient, and come and buy some. How many do you want? Omcan sell them. Thank you very much.